Tests for phenols. Phenols are compounds containing one or more hydroxyl group attached to an aromatic ring. The simplest phenol is carbolic acid, having the formula C6H5OH. It is a white crystalline solid. Other examples are ortho, meta and para cresols, catechol and resorcinol. Our aim here is to identify phenol using some simple tests. They are litmus test, ferric chloride test, Lieberman's test, phthalene dye test. Litmus test. Materials required: organic compound, moist blue litmus paper and spatula. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound using a spatula. Place it on the moist blue litmus paper taken in a watch glass. Phenol is a weak acid. It turns the color of blue litmus paper red. Ferric chloride test. Materials required: organic compound, neutral ferric chloride solution and spatula. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound using a spatula. Add it to a small quantity of neutral ferric chloride solution taken in a test tube. Phenol, on reaction with neutral ferric chloride, gives a violet color due to the formation of a complex. Lieberman's test. Materials required: organic compound, sodium nitrite, concentrated sulfuric acid, distilled water, sodium hydroxide solution, test tube, spatula, droppers, water bath and Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of sodium nitrite crystals in a test tube. Using a dropper, add a small quantity of organic compound to the sodium nitrite crystals. Heat the contents of the test tube gently over the Bunsen burner and allow it to cool. Using another dropper, add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube and shake the test tube well. Phenol, on reaction with sodium nitrite in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, gives a deep blue or green colored product. Now add some distilled water to the test tube. The blue or green color changes to red or brown color on treatment with water due to the formation of indophenol. Using a dropper, add excess of sodium hydroxide solution to the test tube. The red color again changes to blue or green by the addition of a strong alkali due to the formation of indophenol anion. Phthalene dye test. Materials required: organic compound, phthalic anhydride, concentrated sulfuric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, test tube, spatula, dropper and water bath. Procedure: take a small quantity of organic compound in a test tube. To this, add a small quantity of phthalic anhydride using a spatula. Using a dropper, add a small quantity of concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. Heat the contents of the test tube in the water bath and cool for some time. Now, pour the reaction mixture carefully into a beaker containing dilute sodium hydroxide solution. On heating, phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce phenolphthalein, which is colorless. Phenolphthalein gives pink color with sodium hydroxide solution. Precautions: handle phenol with proper care because it is highly corrosive and toxic. Use a dropper to take concentrated sulfuric acid because it is highly hazardous and causes severe skin burns.